So Sunshine, because she is always happy.
My mother is my best friend.
Fabulous.
She's always been very caring.
Very affectionate.
Positive.
Precious.
Sarvagud Sampan.
Sweet.
Every mother is unwritten history.
Mom is happiness and an end to all the sorrows.
Selfless.
She is lovely.
My mom is my lifeline.
My mom is the curator of my world.
The advice she gave me in recent past, and that is the motto of my life, is not to worry about future and living in the present.
Tells me good things I never heard others.
To do my best at everything.
Keep doing karma selflessly.
From when I was really small, she used to teach me that I should start working out from now if I want to attain my dreams in the future.
Service to the humanity is service to the God.
Persevere consistently in what we strive to achieve has definitely become my life motto through the years.
Achieve anything in the world if you desire.
She made me a timetable which I will keep following.
Always learn to adjust in any situation.
Mom has always taught me to respect ladies, to respect female.
She always insisted me to tell the truth, and whatever it is, just come out straight. So yeah, that is something that has become my life motto.
During our board exams, we were just really stressed out, and we remember Mama waking up at 2 or 3 in the morning, giving us chai.
One memory would be when I used to come back from school. So me and my brother, we used to fight to tell our mom that the incident that took place in our school and all the stories, and we used to fight, who's going to tell first, who's going to tell second.
When I failed to clear my medical entrance exam in my 12th standard, my mom told me there is something good waiting for you in your life, better than this. And see, today I am a financial doctor.
When I was a kid, I was hospitalized for a little long time. But the best part was, she was always with me 24/7 with her smiling, dazzling, beautiful smile on her face.
Childhood days that I spent with my mother by playing games, reciting rhymes, and bedtime stories that she used to tell during night. All the memories that I spent with my mother are sweet for me.
Beta, dry fruits khaya.
Stage fear, which I couldn't overcome over the years. And I was given a task by my teacher to deliver a farewell speech for my seniors. And I was very nervous. I did not know what to do. I was very clueless. Though I had a good proficiency in English language, I was still not able to overcome that stage fear. At that time, my mother, she supported me. She wrote a script for me.
She taught me maths and English really well. From that, I got gold medal in my Olympiad.
Actually, I am from Kolkata and I got married in Mumbai, but I always miss the moment which I have spent with her.
सबसे कनेक्शन बना के रखती थी. इवन अगर कुरियर वाला भी आया है तो उसको भी वो बिना पानी और मिठाई खिलाए हुए जाने नहीं देती थी. उनका हेल्पिंग नेचर जो है वो मेरे लिए एक बहुत मेरे लिए ही क्या हम सब के लिए बहुत यादगार चीज़ था.
My advice to my mom is keep smiling and enjoy the present, as you always say.
To tell Mama that do anything that makes you happy, do anything that brings you joy, and just be happy.
Please say my mom to stress out a little less, because she kind of freaks out at times and she really deserves to chill and take a break sometimes, because she's always overworking herself.
Mother's Day, we genuinely like to thank you for everything you have done and for motivating us to do better and work harder.
Definitely, Mama. We would like to say that we're just very proud that you're our mom and you have inspired us every single day with all the hard work that you put in.
Everything that you've done for me, and I can't express through words that how much I love you. So thank you so much for supporting me, for being there for me, for being so generous in all my phases of life. And thank you so much for always making tasty food for me and always being there.
Whatever I am today, I owe it to my mom.
This I want to give my mom on this special day is, you are a bravo mama.
Be like that. Be strong everywhere.
Mama, I love you and I'll make you proud.
Be healthy. Keep smiling. You don't know, but you flow like blood in our nerves, in all your kids' nerves. So take care of yourself.
No matter how much we argue, no matter how much we have a clash of opinions, I will always need you by my side. So let's face the ups and downs of life together. Let's cherish every moment of life together. Let's laugh together, and most importantly, let's be together.
I love you.
Thank you for being always there with me, and I love you, Mom.
I love you, Mom. I love you, and you are my everything.
Be happy and achieve our goals in our life.
I love you.
Guides me all the time, and she is a role model for me. Thank you, Mom, for the unconditional love and teachings. I'll always follow you.
Yeah, I love you, Mom, and thank you for everything you have done for me. There are no enough words to describe the value you hold in my life.
Mom है हमेशा.
The last one, hashtag mom hai hamesha.
Hashtag mom है हमेशा.
Mom hai hamesha.
Mom hai hamesha.
Mom hai hamesha.
Mama, happy Mother's Day. Mom है हमेशा. Mom है हमेशा.
Mom hai hamesha.
Hashtag mom है हमेशा.
Mom है हमेशा.
Mom hai hamesha.
Mom है हमेशा.
Mom hai hamesha.
Mom hai hamesha.
Mom hai hamesha. Love you.
तुम यहाँ नहीं हो, लेकिन तुम मेरे दिल में हमेशा हो. मॉम मेरी मॉम है हमेशा.
कितनी अच्छी है, कितनी सुंदर है, प्यारी